Good night, Dad. Sleep well.
Sir, we know you shouldn't believe rumours, but we do.
Is it true you missed a child?
Me? No. Well, in a way, yes. It was just one. In fact, not even that. 0. Lots more noughts, then a number and some sort of percent at the end. Not really an error, just a 1.
One child doesn't matter? Which one?
Well,
I did 9 ones in Greece. Did those ones matter?
What about my ones in Germany? One of them was twins.
They don't matter, half each.
Why don't you ask Steve? He can explain. Fiendishly clever.
Aren't you in charge, sir?
Of course. I'm Santa.
Sir, if the one that got missed doesn't matter, why have Arthur and Grand Santa gone to take it?
What?
Malcolm.
Oh.
What's this about Arthur?
Is there a list of children who don't matter?
Santa said they don't matter 100%. Is it true children aren't real? They're just antimatter?
Look! I festivized every single country in the world. You see? This one, all of them. I mean, who cares about one single tiny child? I do.
Arthur, my poor boy. Why on earth would he... You're his brother, Steve. How could you let him? And, about this child you missed. I'm really not sure you made the right decision. Is that bird due on your shoulder?
Right. Over there is satellite tracking, navigation, data analysis, coffee machines by the door. Good night, Santa. Gloria, Hosanna in excelsis.
I'll be right back.
Dear Xiao-Lang, thanks for your letter and drawing of Santa tripping over your dog. It was hilarious. Dear Alessandro, I'm sorry your family's had a hard year, but Santa is real. Dear Lars, I promise Santa will come. He's the greatest man ever.
Can I burn this?
Sure. There's millions like it. This picture, this drawing, it isn't of Dad, or you, or Steve. This is Santa. And as long as we get the bike to Gwen before she wakes up, then Santa came. And he cares. Excuse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to reach Grand Heights on Christmas Day. Hey! Jingle bells, this boat smells. 3,000 miles to go. dear.
I've seen this before. Sleigh fever, they call it. Pressure of Christmas sends a man doolally tap. Santa Claus the 16th got it, 1802. Every child that year got a sausage nailed to a piece of bark.
Sir, do you really think you can row the Atlantic Ocean in the next 37 minutes?
It's not too late yet. I just have to keep going.
We need a blunt instrument. Knock him out and regroup.
Make a legal U-turn, then slight right in 4,228 miles.
You do know we're going round in circles.
You know, we're not the only ones. Maybe I will see Evie again.
What do you mean?
Reindeer are brave, powerful beasts, but they're also dappled cretins with twigs on their heads. They'll just keep going in a straight line right round the world. They'll be way up in the sky, flying at unimaginable speed, but they'll pass right over our heads.
Great! We can get the sleigh back!
Chief De Silva,
So where is this UFO?
it's circling the Earth, ma'am. 19 minutes ago, it went into orbit.
You, up there, catch that with this?
Magic dust!
Crack it over your head. You'll have to focus. The sleigh will be coming at you at 45,000 miles an hour.
45,000!
You'll be torn in half.
Depends on the angle the sleigh hits. You might just get beheaded.
I've got a phobia of being beheaded, and heights, and speed, and reindeer, and buttons.
Buttons?
Yeah, I'm pretty much scared of everything. Gwen thinks you're coming. You can't do this. Yes, you can. No, you can't. Yes, you can. Come on, Arthur!
Don't worry, son. Only a raving lunatic.
I have to worry. It's the only thing I'm good at. Worry me.
The sleigh will be back any minute.
Come on. Worry me, quickly.
Imagine Gwen all alone, nothing under the tree.
Here we go. Oh, no, don't like this. Stop, get me down.
Tears as she finds she's been left out.
Screaming Santa didn't come!
Oh, Gwen. No! It's just too high.
Gwen in the street surrounded by kids on new bikes pointing, "That's the girl that Santa hates!" She runs away, alcoholic by the age of 9, dead before she's even...
She may never build a snowman again.
What if there are buttons on the sleigh I don't know about?
Here it is! How do you think he's,
Fine. Probably just,
So, how come we didn't scrap the sleigh, sir?
I threatened the elves. Said I'd feed them to the polar bears. Elf, how do you fancy being the one that tell his parents about all this?
Yeah!